This all started about a week and a half ago when my buddy came over to the shop here, and we were sitting around talking about reloads and the smoke from the reloads. So we went about looking into different things. There were some theories about the wax being burned off. Some were the powders used, and the other was the lead vaporizing. So it could be one, two, or all three of those factors put together. But really, not knowing which one was the biggest culprit, I decided to load up some different rounds with different powders, go to the range, shoot some lead, and shoot some coated bullets, and to finish it off, I shot some jacketed. So these are pretty much the results I got out of it. Powders, slight difference. Big difference I saw was when I went to the coated, and then I finished off with the jacket at the end, using the same powder for those final three loads, and you'll see my results here. So here it is. And one other note here, I did this, I shut the fans off in the range just while I was doing the test, so I don't want to hear feedback about not having the fans on. I was doing a test. As soon as I shut down the camera, I turned on the fans and evacuated all the smoke. I usually shoot with the fans on, but I need to do it this way for the test. So enjoy the video. Well, I'm down at the range here, and figured I'd give this a try with some of these rounds I loaded up. It's nice having a gun club and getting down here when nobody else is around here, so I pretty much got this whole range to myself, so I can do this. So we'll get proceeded. All right. Okay, in this test I have several different other powders loaded up here. I got green dot right there. I'm going to try the IMR 4756. I got some bullseye loaded up there. I got some long shot, not a great 45 powder, but I bought that when things were tough to get. It does work. It's pretty dirty though. And I got some 231 over here. These I'm going to shoot last. I got lead, I got jacketed, and I also have some coated. So this will take the equation of the wax and lead vapors out of this test. So let's get ready and we'll go. Okay, this test is with the bullseye 200 semi-wide cutters. I got the fans off right now just to see how much smoke there is. As soon as I'm done with this, I'm going to shut down the camera and get the fans going, clear the place out. So here we go. Okay, cleared out the smoke now. We're ready for the IMR 4756. We'll see how this does. Okay, smoke's cleared. This is the green dot. Okay, this is the long shot. Like I said, I bought this during the powder crisis. It's not the greatest, but it works. I got it coming out about 900 feet per second, which is pretty good for a 200 semi-wide cutter. So here we go with the long shot. Okay, we're down to the final powder here. This is 231. This I have loaded in several bullet types here. This is going to be the 200 semi-wad cutters. The next one I'll be shooting will be 200 coated. And then for the last, I got 200 grain jacketed round nose. All the same weight, except the round nose aren't the semis. So that'll give us an idea how this all works. So here we go. All right, these are the this is the 231, 200 semi-wad cutter. These are the coated bolts. Let's see if this has any effect. I'd say that's a lot less smoke. Okay, this is the final round here. This is the 200 jacketed round nose, 231. Okay, that concludes this range test. I'm going to enjoy the rest of my range day here, and I'll edit this thing up and get it out to you guys. Don't be looking at my target too much. I wasn't going for accuracy. I just wanted to get the rounds off so we could see the smoke. But it is an enjoyable thing to have a range to yourself. And this is usually the way I can come in here during the week and get the whole place to myself. So, hope you enjoyed this part of it, and I'll get it out to you.